Carrot seed oil is originally extracted from Doxycarotae, which belongs to the family Apiaceae. It is also known as wild carrot and Queen Anne's lace. Extraction is done from wild carrot seeds or from dried plants by a process called steam distillation. Carrot oil seeds have a full range of advantages. Among them, the benefit of attention is its use in aromatherapy. Its soft clay smell relieves stress and tiredness. It acts as a liver booster and helps to rejuvenate the skin. It helps in curing stomach cancer and mouth promotes. It helps to flush out toxins like uric acid through urine. Carrot seed oil also helps in controlling liver spots. Carrot seed oil is originally extracted from wild carrots which can be easily found in the European region. Carrot seed oil is a type of biennial herb that has hairy leaves, white lacy flower navels and a violet center. The term carrot seed is derived from the Greek word cotton. Carrot seed oil has a great importance since ancient times. Carrot seed oil has a fresh, sweet and strong odor, while a brown, dry and wood-like color. Carrot seeds have a pale brown color. The nutritional value of carrot seed oil: carrot seed is antiseptic, carminative, and cytophilic. It works as a stimulant as well as a tonic. The main chemical composition of a carrot seed oil is composed of caffeine, A-pinene, B-pinene, sabinene, micum, Y-terpene, limonene, B-bisabolene, geranyl salate, and carrotol. Its main components are beta-carotene with vitamins A, B, C, D, A and F. Before using carrot seed oil, the exact amount of its components is measured. Health benefits of carrot seed oil contains antioxidants. One of the essential ingredients of carrot seed oil is that it contains antioxidants. Our tissues are damaged by natural free radicals every day. The oxidants present in carrot seed oil help to correct the damage from radicals and prevent further damage. You can always use carrot seed oil as a skincare product. Carrot seed oil protects the skin from wrinkles. This resolves the hair loss issue and further prevents them from becoming white. It works to improve eyesight and also helps in healing joint pain. In one sentence we can say that carrot seed oil gives you a chance to stay young. Fights infection. Carrot seed oil is powerful and helps fight infection. It has antiseptic properties and can even prevent tetanus. It can be applied externally and internally. When applied externally, it can heal infections and wounds. When consumed, it cures any infection in our throat, mouth, stomach, intestinal system of stomach and urinary system. It has some positive effects in the treatment of gangrene, wounds, rashes, carbons, psoriasis, and ulcers, as it is effective in curing respiratory tract infections. It is used in the treatment of bronchitis. It is also used to fight flu, mumps, cold and cough etc. Detoxifies the blood. Carrot seed oil can detoxify blood, tissues, muscles, and even internal organs, such as the liver and kidneys. It helps neutralize excess bile from the liver and also cures infections caused by jaundice. It flushes out toxins like uric acid from the blood, tissues, muscles, joints. Therefore, it directly helps in curing arthritis, edema, gout etc. Prevents cancer. Carrot seed oil has anti-carcinogenic properties. It is beneficial in curing some forms of this type of throat, stomach, prostate and kidney cancer. It is a natural component that is partially a response to cancer. Prevents acidity. Curing acne. Kidney beans are a good source of zinc. Therefore, regular intake of kidney beans in the diet helps in maintaining healthy skin. The increased activity of the sebaceous glands that is responsible for the production of sweat can cause acne, and it can be cured by zinc, which is present in beans. Thus, proper function of some glands helps. Folic acid present in the kidney is also beneficial and helps in regular formation of skin cells. The new skin cells produced are very useful to reduce acne breakage and to clean the pores on the skin. A bowl full of kidney beans eaten daily is very important for eye health, as it is a good source of zinc. Inhibits diuretic properties. Carrot seed oil has diuretic properties, which means it increases urine. While this may seem to be of no benefit at all, urination protects us from many elements. Every time someone insists, a person releases 4% of fat, uric acid, and excess bile. In addition, it releases some germs that cause infections in the urinary system. Carrot seed oil helps in controlling blood pressure and cleanses the kidneys. Regulates menstrual cycle. Carrot seed oil helps in controlling the menstrual cycle. As it is emmenagogue in nature, it helps in regularizing the menstrual cycle as well as reduces pain. It is an essential product for girls in general. Great provocative. Carrot seed oil is considered a great stimulant. It stimulates circulation and metabolic function. It helps to stimulate the secretion of hormones, enzymes, gastric juices, bile, and aids in the intestinal peristaltic motion. In this way, it keeps all the organs of the body active and healthy, and thus makes it efficient in work. It acts as a stimulant of brain functions and nerves, and therefore helps you to remain alert and active. Kills insects. Carrot seed oil has the ability to kill insects formed in the intestines. It is very effective for children as they are not aware of hygiene, and it prevents malnutrition in children, which leads to harmful condition. Aromatherapy. Carrot seed oil is famous for aromatherapy. It can be taken as a vapor, and it relieves stress, enhances liver and respiratory system, as well as cures muscle pain. It helps reduce a person's anxiety and relieves someone from exhaustion. Contains Tonex. Body toning products are known as Tonex. Carrot seed oil also falls in this category. It tones the tissues and muscles, thereby increasing their efficiency, and also acts as a tonic for the liver and the entire digestive system. It maintains the flow of digestive juices and keeps the body's digestive system healthy. You can also use carrot seed oil as a toner for your skin. It helps to tone the skin and prevents it from hanging. Thus, it helps to not show any signs of aging. Uses of carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is widely used in many cosmetic products. Most of the anti-aging cosmetic products use carrot seed oil as an ingredient, as it is a rich source of beta-carotene and vitamin A. Carrot seed oil is also used in most milky and honey soaps. Many brands use carrot seed oil inside the composition of their face wash products. Many companies use carrot seed oil in the composition of antiseptic liquid because it inhibits septic. Carrot seed oil is also used in hair care products because it prevents hair from turning white. Its use is most visible in hair oils. Carrot seed oil. Side effects and allergies. Carrot seed oil has no side effects, but should be avoided in pregnancy. Children should also avoid carrot seed oil as their skin is sensitive and it can sometimes cause allergies in their body. It is important to take this precaution in the case of children. People suffering from epilepsy and asthma should also avoid carrot seed oil as it is very stimulating. This can trigger a severe reaction in patients suffering from epilepsy. People who feel nauseous at times should also avoid carrot seed oil as excessive amounts can cause cramps and vomiting. People who suffer from nausea can suffer a lot of damage.